going to Green Planet. This is in the white box. Let's go.
Let's go.
Run, run! Look! We are here live. There it is. Look, look. So here is Green Planet. Yeah. Let's go. Where's the entrance? The entrance is there. I don't think that's the entrance. I think that's a cafe. So now we're here and I got my map. And I don't know what it is for, but a pen. Let's go.
Hold it.
But it's too windy.
No, it's not windy. Only like.
Which way now? A big boulder. So, we are now here. I have to go all the way there. Wow. It's okay, it's okay. So it's come. It's okay, it's okay. It's just a tent. Oh, look! After the end, we have to go to the toys, okay? Let's see. We're almost there. Don't worry. We are here now, Charlotte, okay? Check on your map. Let's take your things here. Okay, let's go. Come back, let's go. But here's a slug. It's a slug. Don't worry. Come. Okay, so we're here. Come, Christine.
Hi guys. Welcome to Green Planet.
Come, Christine.
Let's have a welcome photo here. Yes. Yeah, come in. Okay. Are we ready?
Can I see your channel?
Yeah. Can I do a face painting part?
You want to do face paint first?
Where you go?
Wow. That's really nice. I think I saw you before, girl. I think.
I'm doing a tiger. Tiger, okay? Don't open your eyes. Don't lick your mouth.
Okay, now the shark teeth.
Shark teeth.
Yes, should I?
Okay, my turn. Whoa, whoa, be careful, be careful, be careful. You
Yeah.
can get your map.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm tiger.
You want to be a butterfly like your dress?
Wow. finished? I think so.
Yeah, it's done.
I like it. Me
You
too.
like it? Oh, thank you
Yeah.
so much.
Oh, we got the receipt, and now we are here, and we're gonna go here. Let's go. Wow.
There we have the coco toucan from South America. You see the one with the long beak? Come.
Yeah.
Let's come closer.
Let's go.
That's the toucan from South America. And that one is a hill myna. So you're playing the game?
Yeah.
Yes, I will give you stamps then.
Okay.
Up there you see the yellow bird.
Yeah.
Her name is Freckles. Yes,
Freckles.
she's sleeping. She's taking a nap.
Ah.
So she's a golden conure. Okay, also from Brazil. So I will give you the stamp. Just wait. So the question is, let's see. Question number 4. Name the highest level of the rainforest. So each level has a name, okay? And here on level 4 we have 2 levels. The emergent layer, which is up there,
Okay.
and the one where we are right now is the forest canopy, okay? So what's the name of the level where we are standing?
The level canopy.
Forest canopy, okay, I will give you the stamp, very good. And question number 5 says, look up and we have to discover the birds. See, it says spot them both and you have unlocked a true jungle secret. So I will show you other birds and once we see them, I will give you the other stamp, okay?
Okay.
Let's go. We have white and brown color.
Yeah.
That's a laughing kookaburra from Australia. So the
laughing?
sound that they make, it sounds like they are laughing. That's why the name, laughing kookaburra. So,
Thank you. I know.
up there.
I'm a
You see the
tiger.
blue and gold macaw?
I can't see it.
You cannot see? It's a bird and the colors are blue and yellow.
I can see it.
Yeah.
Me too.
So there we have a couple. Can you show your sister?
So that one's it. I can actually see it.
She cannot see?
No, I can't.
Come, come. Let me show you. What's her name?
Charlotte.
Shani and?
Charlotte. She's Charlotte and I'm Ivy.
Ah, okay.
I'm a tiger.
Can you see that one?
Yeah.
His name is Kurt. So we have Kurt and Goldie. I will give you the other stamp. Yes.
Let's get
Do you know why they are up there?
No.
They are making their nest up there. They like to live up in the trees. So that's where they live.
Oh, I can see. Down. Down.
Okay. So the first one, I will also give you this stamp.
I think we found a new one. I don't know. I think it's a butterfly lemur. I don't think so. Is that a lemur or no, Christine? Is that a lemur or no? No. No. Let's keep. Look. Look. Christine, look. You see? Look. Look at that. Look at that bird. And wow, this is so great. Come. Yeah. Oh my goodness! The cloth is climbing. Voila! Voila! I can't see any. I can see some lizards. I can't see. Oh, I can see some of those.
What's that, bugs?
Yeah. Look at that lizard. Look, yeah, look. I can see. Okay, there goes somewhere else. I can see a crocodile. Look there. Look, Christine, a crocodile. Whoa! Crocodile.
Where is the crocodile?
Oh.
No, I think that's not a crocodile.
It's a baby one. Oh, I think it's monkeys. Is it a monkey? Okay, come this way. Yeah. Oh, it's a sloth. It's still the sloth. How did it get up there, Christine? How can it get out there? I was just walking here. Maybe it jumped and then it went down. Oh, look. Keep going. Okay, come. We're gonna do it at the treasure, okay? When we're at the treasure, we're getting it, okay? Come. Look at that waterfall, Christine. Let's see where the monkey is here. No, some monkeys are here, I think. Sloth! The sloth has to be very quiet. It's sleeping. Shall I watch out, watch out, watch out. Shall we go to the race? Let's get here. Wow. There's 2 slugs. Yeah. Thank you. Come. Ooh. There's a spider. Christine, there's a spider. Come. I can see some more spiders under, but this one is ginormous. Oh my goodness, there's so many spiders. Come this way. Charlotte, come here. Come. Some snakes up there. See that snake? Yeah. See that lizard? Yeah. Come. Check over here. Wow, so many lizards. So many frogs. Yeah, come, let's go. Christine, I saw a monkey. It's up there. See? Mom, look. Look, Christine. There. Baby monkey. Okay, this way, Shelly, quick. Come. Wait, look. Come here, Charlotte. Oh, look, footprints. How did they get here? Look at them. Come here, Charlotte. Come. What happened? It's noisy.
Did you see some big bats?
Huh? Scary.
It's just something like a sound.
Inside here? How can it be raining in Green Planet, Christine? Why is raining in Green Planet?
Yeah, because this one is forest, right?
Christine,
Yeah.
I thought it's inside. Rain is not inside. There's no rain inside.
No.
In shops, there's no
The
rain.
rain is only inside. The rain is not outside.
Hello
Hi.
and welcome. So we have a fun game here. So what we're gonna do
Okay.
is smell 6 spices and you have to guess 4 correctly.
Okay.
Okay? So which one do you want to start with?
1.
1. Okay. So we're asking you if your sense of smell is better than a sloth. It's something used in tea.
Mint.
No. It's used in chais, kara, tea. Okay, this is a hard one. So I'll actually have you smell it as well. This is a hard one. I'll give you the first word.
Ah, okay.
Hard. Okay, I'll leave that one. You know what this is?
No.
Guess this. It's used as a mouth refreshener in restaurants.
Look under. Look under. Cinnamon.
So these are called fennel seeds. This is something used in biryani and in a lot of rice dishes. It's a leaf.
Mint.
What is it?
Don't know.
You don't know? It's mainly used as a fragrance for spices. Alright. Bay leaf, yes. So I'll stamp it for you because you tried hard and I appreciate that effort. Okay.
It's a small stamp.
Yes, now you can make your way down and there's more animals.
Okay, is this one? Thank you. Thank you. I wish I can have this. Doesn't have my size. Look. Tiny. Ooh, butterflies. Come. It's here. Oh, everything is blue.
Yes. There you go.
Go, Charlotte, go first. It's okay, go.
You don't want to go inside?
Come, go to the way.
Okay, come.
It's okay, Charlotte, come, let's go.
Wait now.
A big snake. Wow. I love this vlog. Some more snakes. Wow. This is the best day ever. Where? Yeah, I can see. Come, this way. Let's go down, Charlotte. Ready? Are there so many snakes in here? Ooh, a bed. See, Christine?
Yeah.
A N L N I mean M A L.
Oh, good girl.
Your turn, Jen.
Oh, yes.
Now let's go. Christine, can I buy some toys? Please.
Wow. Very good.
Can I see?
Koala.
Did you enjoy the game?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, this one
Can I have a turtle?
for your souvenirs, okay?
Look, we finished our day. So we finished finding. Now we are going to eat. I ordered chicken nuggets, and Charlotte ordered pepperoni pizza. We both have a drink and a meal. That's a meal for kids, and we both have a drink. Only pizza. Yeah, pepperoni. And then I have chicken nuggets and garlic rings. Yeah, onion rings. Yeah, onion rings. So now we eaten. We're sharing our food, and it's delicious. Thanks for watching our video. Like and subscribe.